According to the United Nations, water use has grown at more than twice the rate of the population increase during the last century. By the year 2025, an estimated 1.8 billion people will live in areas plagued by water scarcity. Experts point to agriculture as one of the leading causes of water shortage in the world today, responsible for 80% of the Earth's freshwater consumption. If traditional soil-based farming methods don't change, this sustenance-providing sector could in fact put a major strain on natural resources in years to come.
Our freshwater supply is dwindling every day, and ag is responsible for 80% of the freshwater use on Earth. So when we look at water conservation methods, it's important to look at the ag industry. One of the ways we can do that is directly addressing the way that farming methods are implemented in the future to conserve what water we have left and also to increase the amount of food that we're going to need for the growing population.
Already, the demand for water in many parts of the world is meeting or exceeding natural supply, and combined with ongoing climate changes and severe droughts, unsustainable agricultural practices are threatening major food shortages unless new water-reducing technologies are implemented.
Some current alternatives to the unsustainable irrigation methods are drip irrigation, controlled environments, and hydroponics. All three of these methods help to conserve water and protect the crops, thus alleviating the waste that we see in a lot of the ag industries today.
While greenhouses have been used for decades to create a controlled environment for vegetable farming, a majority of them are inefficient and cost prohibitive because they lack automated software that adapts nutrient formulas to changing weather patterns. GOT Produce has developed this missing software component and complemented it with custom-designed pumps, motors, and sensors. The result is an impressive 90% reduction in water consumption per unit of vegetable and an almost 4 times faster planting to harvest time.
The benefits of growing in an automated greenhouse environment is that you can grow crops 4 times faster than you can in the field with serious water reduction. For example, a head of lettuce that you find in the grocery store today takes 50 gallons of water generally to grow. In a GOT Produce controlled environment system, it only takes 1 gallon of water. That's only 2% of the water and 98% savings. So worldwide, when we look at water efficiency and when we look at sustainable production, this allows us to grow consistent quality produce without herbicides and pesticides year-round.
Automated hydroponic growing systems by GOT Produce ensure every stage of the production chain is efficiently maximized by only allowing the precise delivery of nutrients and water, reducing waste and increasing food yields for local consumption.
Using hydroponics and controlled environments, we're able to grow large quantities of fresh vegetables sustainably. We use very little water, very little land, and virtually eliminate transportation costs and carbon by growing in a distributed manner close to the consumer. We're creating new local jobs and providing a healthy, fresh produce product to both the tourism industry and consumers.
It's going to be an enormous change. It's going to be a great change in that it's readily available when we need it and right on our doorstep. So where there could be border import problems, customs problems, all of it is here. So we foresee this going very, very well and for the future, and certainly this is the way to go. There's no question about it.
Today, consumers are more conscious of commercial farming operation methods and want fresher, healthier, locally grown produce. At GOT Produce, we believe that franchising our hydroponic greenhouse systems is the most cost-effective, consumer-focused way to grow and sell high-quality produce, while also providing a rewarding business opportunity.
The growing possibilities are almost endless when you use a GOT Produce automated greenhouse system. By using a tablet or a smartphone, you can literally select multiple crops from a drop-down menu. This allows you to grow up to 30 crops or more in a greenhouse and meet changing market need.
GOT Produce systems are easy to use because they come pre-programmed for your specific location and crop selection. Precise calculations and growing recipes are created in GOT Produce's patent-pending drop-down menu. Simply select a crop, and it's automatically programmed with specific growing conditions for water quality, external temperatures, internal crop varieties, and hydroponic pond temperatures.
Once we were committed to bring hydroponics to the region, we conducted extensive research to find the right technical partner. We chose GOT Produce franchising because much of the technology was invented for use in Arizona, which has conditions much like most of Southern Africa. In addition to their best-in-class land and water usage, we were very impressed with their centralized automation, which allows us to build distributed greenhouses very close to our customers, yet still maintain technical oversight and control.
GOT Produce, sustainable food for the whole world. For more information on how to become a franchisee, please visit gotproduce.us.